welcome back to Shopaholic Adventures and कल से नवरात्रि स्टार्ट हो रही है तो मैं तो यार अभी से ड्रेसअप होके बैठ गई हूँ. I mean, I actually look forward to this festive period. I mean, नवरात्रि and then करवा चौथ, फिर उसके बाद आएगा हमारा दिवाली and then भाई दूज and everything. So I'm really excited and फाइनली कुछ तो हो रहा है 2020 में. नहीं तो इतनी मोनोटनस बोरिंग सी लाइफ हो गई थी. सो दैट इज वाई आई नो बाहर तो कहीं जाना नहीं है बट घर में तो हम ड्रेसअप हो ही सकते हैं. वाई नॉट? आफ्टर ऑल इट्स अ फेस्टिव पीरियड एंड इट इज you have all the right to look pretty and look nice and wear your pretty sarees like I am wearing. So I think now all the videos are going to be in sarees only because I love sarees. So पूरा festive period हम साड़ी में ही निकालने वाले हैं. So okay, so let's now come back to the channel. So I am Pragati and you guys know me, and if you have come here for the first time, then this is Shopaholic Adventures run by me and my sister Malika, and we post a lot of stuff related to makeup, hauls, fashion, beauty, travel, everything that I think might be appealing for you guys and you guys may want to know. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel, press the bell button and show us lots of love because it means a lot to us. And because festive period start ho gaya hai, so I'm sure you guys are also like me and want to try these different looks or different makeup products, and one of those is colored eyeliners or colored kajals. And that's why I have LA Colors Eyes Are Lined set. Now this one has 8 eye pencils and also it comes with a sharpener inside so that we can sharpen it. This I bought it from Hope Makeup and it is for 850 rupees and it comes in a box packed like this. I mean, it is neat, it's good to carry. So let's see how these are. So I also haven't tried these. I have just, seen these and I was very excited. But I thought of opening it with you guys only and showing it to you guys how these are, and let's try. So this is the sharpener that they have given. These are the 8 pencils. Now the colors which are there is, of course, there is a grey. So this is more like a silver grey, and then there is a gold and more like a rose gold, and then there is a purple. There is a teal. Now this is not a green, neither is it a blue. It's a teal shade, and it actually looks really nice on your eyes. And then there is a white, a black, and then there is a brown, and there is a copper. So let's do swatches and also see. I will also be posting pictures here. So every time I swatch, you can also see the pictures of how this looks on my eyes. So let's do a swatch of these and see how these are, and see whether they look good on my eyes or not. And also let's see how the texture is. So I'm going to start with this rose gold. It somehow looks really appealing to me. It looks nice, though I don't think I will be using it as just an eyeliner. Of course I will pair it with some dark shade to give a more smoky look. I somehow feel the light silver or gold or just the rose gold doesn't look really nice on my eyes. So and I'm not very fond of light makeup also during the festive season. I like more of a smoky dark colors. My personal favorites are green, blue, purple to an extent, yes, and I love black, of course. So yes, so let's see how this rose gold is. Like, this is not very dark. You guys can see, like, I had to rub the pencil a few times and then only this shade has come. So maybe for a shading purpose this will work, but just as a liner I really don't think so because it's very light, I feel personally. But yes, you can use it for the inner corners. Yes, that will work for your brow lines. Yes, it will work, but just as a liner I don't know. But yeah, maybe it does seem to be creamy, so maybe you can just use it on the eyes and use it as an eyeshadow. Yes, it will work for that. Okay, let's go on to one of my favorite colors. I really like this teal shade. I really want to try this as well. So let's see how is this shade coming up. The pigmentation is really good. It's really creamy as well, and I really like the way this color looks. So yes, I mean, I would love this shade, but only for this shade I will not buy this pack because I mean, you can get this shade from a lot of other brands. So why buy this entire pack for this one shade? Now another shade which I really want to try is this purple from the box. Now I really enjoy creating looks with the purple eyeliner kajal because you can play around with the shade. So let's see how this color looks. I expected it to be really well pigmented, but it is not very pigmented. It is fine. I mean, I will not say it's very pigmented. Somehow I feel, you know, if we'll sweat and all, the color will come off easily. It's very easily getting smudged as well. So maybe it's a better option to create a smoky look using this than instead of using just as a liner. Let's try the gray color now. It's more like a metallic gray. So let's try this. Okay, I am surprised with this shade because it's a well pigmented shade. I also like the texture because it's not very dry, so it's not difficult to play around with this color. Only issue is that it is very easily smudgeable. It's smudging easily, but it is not difficult to play around with this color. So you guys can see it is well pigmented. I love the way it's pigmented. So yeah, and I also like this shade, you know, sometimes just using a color like this on your waterline looks very, very nice. It really looks good. So yeah, it gives a very nice smoky look. Now I have the brown in my hand, so let's try this brown, how the color is. Okay, the brown is really well pigmented. I mean, yes, it is well pigmented. It's nice. So you know, it is well pigmented. So if you're creating a brown look, you could use this. It's a well pigmented, and also if sometimes, you know, your eyebrow pencil is over and you're in an urgency, you can use this shade for your eyebrows as well. So yes, I feel this brown is also well pigmented and can be used in many ways. Next we have this copper. It's a very metallic copper, good for the festive looks. Let's see how pigmented and how the color is now. Wow, it is well pigmented. I mean, I'm really surprised. Look at the way it is well pigmented. It's really well pigmented. It's a beautiful shade. I mean, you know, using this and the brown as a mix and creating a look would really, really, really look good. So yes, I mean, I approve of this shade as well. I really like this shade. Then we have our classic black. Of course, black, if it is not pigmented and if it is not dark, then I mean, it's of no use. So let's check out. Wow, just one swipe, it's so pigmented. It's so dark. So yes, I'm impressed with the black because black is a shade which you want it to be dark so that, you know, you can later merge it and create a smoky look as well if you want to. So I'm happy with the black. And then we have a white. Now if you want your eyes to look big, you can apply it in your waterline, and it does give a little bigger appearance to your eyes. So white is, I feel, is a must for a lot of looks. So let's try this white now. Wow, it's well pigmented. It's really well pigmented. So only two shades which I'm not very happy is this purple, which is still okay, which is doable, and this rose gold. Though the way this color is, you can use it on your waterline to create, you know, more like a skin-like color. So other than that, I'm very happy with these pencils. These are well pigmented. They're also reasonable. Basically, each pencil is like 100 rupees for you, which is pretty reasonable. And if you are trying the colored eyeliners for the first time and you want to check whether the colored eyeliners suit you or not, you want to see which color looks more on you, and instead of investing in a more expensive eyeliner, you may want to get a pack like this and see which color suits you the most, and then you can go ahead and try your shade or the shade of your choice. So I think for that purpose, it's really good. It's a good option if you're not someone who uses colored eyeliners very often and you don't want to invest in a very expensive eyeliner for like 1000 or 800. Instead, you can buy a pack like this and you can try different eyeliners, and you also get a black and a brown, which is used by a lot of people. So you can go for this, and yeah, I mean, it's not a bad buy, it's actually a good buy, so you're good to try. So check it out, guys. You can check this out on Hope Makeup, and I will put the link below for you guys. And thank you for watching. In case you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel, do comment and like on our videos if you find them useful. Enjoy Navratri tomorrow and have fun, guys.